vuga ngo yampyitinyuye.
Vuga wo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Bravo, Abba. Baby shark, baby shark, Icyayi, nguzanira icyayi. Nguzanira icyayi. Icyayi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mana. Bravo. Clap, 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 clap your hands. The baby, Abba, Abayomi, Daddy. Oh my God, Daddy, Daddy, come. Hey, why are you doing? After you. See my baby Abba. 1 and 2. Daddy, Yambi, Daddy. Come, Daddy. Everyone. Hi. Wow. You miss Miss Rachel? You miss Miss Rachel? Daddy. Yambi, Daddy. That's Daddy. It's when you know what's up. You need to see what. So today, bring your head. Yeah. So I'm going to go around. Today, what about it? Today. So kuchanga umuntu ukora mu mutwe. See my baby. I do. Babe, come and sit. Daddy. Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Hope all is well with you.
Yeah, good morning guys.
Good morning, Pelumi.
How is everybody?
Good morning, Abayomi. Oh. See the Abba with Daddy. So guys, we are here. We are back again. This is Pelumi and his son Abayomi. Daddy, Yambi, Daddy. So, doje kunyambi. Yambi. Uwa. Yambi. Bravo.
We are go to the side. Let me do what I want.
So, we are here again, guys. Mwakoze mujye mukomeza mukore subscribe, like and share everything. Sibyo?
Yeah, like, subscribe, share if you like our videos so we can do more.
And comment to it.
Comment as well.
Yeah. So, Pelumi rero uyu munsi agiye kutubwira uturere n'uduce azi mu Rwanda. Okay.
Let's see.
Agiye kutubwira we're going to tell us what do you know, like some places you know in Kinyarwanda. Twagiye
that will be difficult.
To be difficult biramugora ariko araza kumenya. Ya uduce twose uzi mu Rwanda twari twose. Yaba ari Nyabarongo hose uhatubwire, yaba ari muri Karayeze.
That's the whole of Rwanda anyway.
Nishaka ni Matimbo havuga. Matimbo urahazi?
Anywhere.
Imatimba. Imatimba. Ahantu haba indaya.
What's that?
Indaya urazizi? Ntabwo kivuga indaya bavuga indangamirwa. Vuga ngo indangamirwa.
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 Indangamirwa. What's that? What that mean? What does that mean?
Ay, wait, I'm gonna kubwira mbabara cyane. Indangamirwa means
Indangamirwa.
Indangamirwa.
Mirigwa.
Mirigwa.
Is that not it?
Yes, now. You know that Mirongwin place. Okay, let me just tell us. Indangamirwa is somewhere prostitutes to go now.
Why are you telling me about? I'm not serious, I swear.
Indangamirwa is prostitute in Kinyarwanda now. Okay, let's go. Tell us some places that you know in Kinyarwanda.
Let me start from this area.
Yes, we are in.
Right now we are in Nyamirambo.
Go
okay? Nyamirambo, Rwarutabura. That's the area we are in now.
Okay.
I think is it Mudugudu? The Mudugudu is
Mudugudu sena ni noza Mudugudu. Umwana waragusetsa. Umudugudu ni nagace.
Wait. Rwarutabura is the district now. No, not district. Sorry, I'm making a mistake. Rwarutabura should be the Mudugudu itself now.
Umudugudu wa Rwarutabura.
We have districts.
I'm just saying I should say districts. Is districts that I need
this
and
is
village.
Now.
This is Munyarujenje. What about village? We are in Rwarutabura village now. What?
I'm trying to remember the village. The village is not Rwarutabura. The village is the cell, I think.
Yes, cell, yes.
Cell is Rwarutabura.
Yes.
Muri cell.
Yes.
Why village? Villages.
Ruyafonzi.
Tell me now.
I went that point. No, Rusisiro.
Rusisiro. That's what I was trying to remember. Rusisiro.
Akagarika
Rwarutabura.
No. Akagari ni
Rusisiro.
Oh yeah, one umudugudu wa Rusisiro. Umudugudu is Rusisiro.
Wait, cell is Rwarutabura. Is it for?
There is cell.
District.
Cell,
village.
And
Mudugudu.
I didn't go, no,
I'm making mistake.
Okay. Arabaye mingwino ufashe papa wawe utubwira kado mudugudu turimo. It's okay, let's leave that. Tell me all the villages around us.
The villages around us. We have Midua.
Midua, wow, good.
We have Midua. Kayonza is far
away.
Midua, Rwarutabura, and it's just 2 now.
Okay, it's okay. Tell us some district that you know in Kinyarwanda.
District?
Yes.
Akagalika, Gasabo. Gasabo is district now. Yeah, Gasabo is
yes now. Akagalika, Gasabo.
They used to write Akagali.
Akarere. Akarere Kagasabo.
But I used to see they write it on cars.
Is Akarere Kagasabo.
They used to write Mamuri. When I say it,
okay,
I'm going to try.
It's okay. So no worry. Tell us the sectors that we have.
Sectors we have. Districts are all these Yarujenje, right?
We have 5 districts.
We have 5 districts.
And 30 districts. Sorry. We have 5. Oh my God.
Even when you say you forgot already.
Ha! Yo ndibagiwe ya dufite uturere 30. Wait. I'm trying to say we have.
She did not remember the district.
You are too wicked. Why are you?
They did not remember. That's why.
No hala. Okay, let's go now. Let's continue. We have 5 provinces.
5 provinces.
Which is Amajyaruguru, Amajyepfo, Uburasirazuba. Okay, say Amajyaruguru. Amajyepfo. Uburasirazuba.
What?
vuga uburasirazuba.
Umurasera Zuba.
Uburasirazuba.
Uburasera Zura. That's why I don't like Yolanda. You see,
It's
so
okay.
many vowel sound.
Oh, sorry. Uburasirazuba.
Uburasera Zuba.
Good. Uburengerazuba.
Uburengerazuba.
Go. Tujya ku akagari umujyi wa Kigali. Yes.
Umujyi wa Kigali is this one where
yes.
That's where you have
where we have Gasabo,
Yarujenje,
Andy.
I don't know.
Key.
Which key?
Ndi kukupeza njyewe.
Key. Yarujenje, Gasabo.
And Chi. Gukomeza?
Chinamba.
Mana ngo umujyi wa Kigali dufitemo Kinamba na Kimisagara.
Which Chi are you? Is it also this thing?
Yes, now we have 3.
Do I know it?
Yes, you know Gasabo. Ego and
have we been there before?
Yes, we've been there.
Can you give me an idea where?
I know.
Point to the area, so I'm going to remember.
Okay, there. Only pointing. Chi.
Chichuchu. Chichuchuru.
Gasabo.
Wait, Chichuchuru is a province.
Muri Kicukiro.
Wow, that's nice.
Dufite Gasabo, Kicukiro na mujyi wa Kigali na Nyarugenge.
Okay.
Yego. Clap yourself. Clap. Bravo. Okay. Twagiye. Tell us all the places you have been. Tubwire uduce twose wabayemo uzi mu Rwanda, uduce uzi muri Kigali. All the names of the places I've been in Kigali.
If I say the areas of the places I've been.
You've been, yes. Names.
Will you tell me the details about each?
Yes.
Do you know all the places?
No, I don't know. But I'm just trying to remind you so that we can learn together.
Let me see the areas I've been.
Uduce twose yagiye maze kutubwira ahantu hose uzi.
First, let's start with this area that we have always been. Yamirambo.
Yego.
Eripe.
Kuri Eripe, yego. Mumena, yego.
The stadium there. So
hari stade. Yego. Remera.
The stadium there too.
Yego, stade Remera. Have you been there?
I've been there, but I've not entered it. I only went to the gate. I was at the gate.
Gisozi. Yego.
Yes, that's where I work every day.
Niho ukorera, yego.
Yes, Gisozi.
Uzajya kumureba umugabo wanjye mujya kumwirebeshwayo.
The bad areas we have lived in this Rwanda.
Kagiye kuvuga ahantu habi yabarabaye mu Rwanda, habi yabonye. We wish there is thief. Ahantu yabonye. Ahantu yabonye ho bajura.
As a foreigner in Rwanda, be careful.
Nk'umunyamahanga.
Be careful of some areas that you.
Ahantu agiye kutubwira habi yababajura yabaye. Ego.
We have like Kimisagara now. Kimisagara is a good area.
Bravo.
Kimisagara is a good area, but too many thieves are
there. Kimisagara ni heza ko abajura benshi. Umwana wanjye watse kudusakurira.
That Kimisagara, that school route.
Kurabaye iki? Ufashwe n'ibiki umwana wanjye? Baye. Dore. Bamwiteho.
Don't make me lose concentration, this boy. Yes, Kimisagara, Katabaro. Yeah, even Katabaro too is a very, very nasty area. Be careful of those areas.
Pelumi.
Yes, Pelumi. Those areas are very, very. Be careful there at night. Yes. Katabaro.
Katabaro, Kimisagara.
There's that area around the shop. I'm already forgetting the name. No.
Kunarak.
Kunaraga, that's Toll Road area too. When you're going there in the night.
Okay.
Be careful, Kunaraga. So that, and then there's this area in Painted Road. What's the name? What's Painted Road in Kironda again?
Kumaranje.
Kumaranje.
Kumaranje saba bajura perumi.
No, Kumaranje where we eat. I'm talking of opposite the Kumaranje.
That place I used to live at Papi's house.
I don't remember. Why did I forget that place like that? Somewhere there, these guys are living now. Give me a hint.
G. Nadia warutwe. Muji.
I know that place. What's wrong with my head? Am I forgetting things?
Mujitega.
Mujitega, but there's another name. They call it.
Mubiryogo.
Biryogo is that?
Kuri 40 se.
Kuri 40 is almost that.
None se ni he uri kuvuga.
There's one name they used to call it. I've forgotten it. It was that name we know that area by. Not Jitega. Even I didn't even remember that.
Inyamirambo. Hari kuri 40. Hari mu Biryogo.
That particular area we lived in, there's a name for it.
Kumuhima si. Muchahafi.
We forgot himself.
No, that's only the place they call it. Onatracom.
Onatracom, yes, now. Onatracom is what I'm trying to remember.
Anyway, Onatracom is the mosque. Is the name of the mosque.
Why didn't I? Okay, yeah, it's the same.
Onatracom ni umusigiti.
It's the same area, yes.
Vuga ngo umusigiti.
Umusigiti.
Umusigiti is a mosque.
Umusigiti is a mosque.
So they call it Onatracom because there is umusigiti there.
Okay, but Onatracom is it? I don't know.
Is like, let me say, Kwa Gaddafi. Where's Kwa Gaddafi?
The school?
Kwa
School area.
Kwa Gaddafi ni kigo ariko harimo no. The reason they call it Kwa Gaddafi is because there's a mosque that called Kwa Gaddafi.
Named after Gaddafi.
Yeah, named after Gaddafi. That name Gaddafi is all the mosques.
So why is it place of Gaddafi?
Yes, but Kwa Gaddafi is a mosque. Is a mosque. Umusigito Kwa Gaddafi. Wo Kwa Gaddafi. Vuga ngo umusigito Kwa Gaddafi.
Mosque of.
Oya bivuga mu Kinyarwanda.
Umusigiti is mosque.
Bivuga umusigito Kwa Gaddafi.
Umusigiti Kwa Gaddafi.
Wow, umusigito Kwa Gaddafi.
Umusigiti Kwa Umusigiti Kwa Gaddafi.
Umusigiti wo Kwa Gaddafi.
Wo Kwa Gaddafi.
No, that's what they say. Tujye gura kora duhurire kora Tracom. If I say duhurire kora Tracom, that means that is that particular mosque beside the mosque.
Okay, you're saying beside the mosque.
Yes.
But all through the time we're living in that place, they were using
Tracom. Is because this also Tracom is because that mosque is popular name. It has a popular.
You can use it
to describe as you.
Yego. Okay.
Yego. Ahandi majengo urahazi. Majengo. Yes, majengo urahazi.
Majengo. What was majengo?
Majengo nahuzi. Okay, gusobanurira. Do you remember that place we used to go to the mosque that I told you? When you are passing to that, okay. Kwa Mutwe urahazi?
Kwa Mutwe is that area they sell this thing.
Yes. If you pass to that place where we used to pass wherever we are going to Daniel's house.
That Kwa Mutwe, so they call it where they put this spoil thing. That particular area is in every area in Rwanda. I heard that it's a Gizoso to where they put things for sale like that.
Yego nyine.
What's the word for it?
Mugachinjiro.
Gachinjiro, right?
Oya na gachinjiro kaba hari.
Gachinjiro, Gachinjiro is place where they sell things now.
Agachinjiro is everywhere. There is a blacksmith. There's a painters. There's everything like about everything that has for house. Yes, blacksmith. Yes. all the materials they use at home.
Okay, change.
Nibyo bubakisha everything that they used to build everything mugacengero.
Okay.
Ahandi hantu uzi ni hehe?
Ahandi.
Ahandi hantu uzi ni hehe?
Hehe.
Hano bari kumva ibyo mubwira
Hey,
disi.
what?
Hehe what? Ahandi hantu uzi mu Rwanda ni hehe?
We are in Rwanda.
Do you know?
Do you know? Uri ahandi.
So uri kuvuga ibiki pe?
I'm trying to break down the words into.
Wow, I'm asking which another place that you know in Rwanda? Don't you know town?
Anything you tell me, I break it down into separate words to see what it means together.
All right. Yego ye, najua. Do you know the meaning of najua?
Najua is not Sabinus.
Yes. Najua ni Sabinus.
Yeah, I know too much. That's what you
mean. My husband knows Kinyarwanda. Uzi Kinyarwanda sheri. Vuga ngo nzi Kinyarwanda.
Don't mind that. You see that my Kinyarwanda is bad. Very bad. I'm just trying to...
Say that nzi Kinyarwanda.
Nzi Kinyarwanda.
Vuga ngo njewe Perumi nzi Kinyarwanda.
Njewe Perumi mvuga
Kinyarwanda. Njewe Perumi mvuga Kinyarwanda.
Njewe Perumi mvuga Kinyarwanda. I don't know Kinyarwanda. Is it ki or chi?
Aiwe, Ikinyarwanda.
But in English it's Kinyarwanda.
Kinyarwanda is an English word. Ikinyarwanda is in Rwandan language.
Okay.
Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye.
Vuga wo.
Vuga ngo Bravo chérie. Vuga ngo mana biri kutsubiramo. Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye.
Vuga ngo
Bana we, ndumva ngiye guhera bana we, mbavuze. Ndi kumubwira ngo navuge ngo yampyikinyuye nawe akansuramo ngo vuga ngo yampyikinyuye. Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye.
You want to tell something, you say it slowly.
Okay, nta kibazo ndavuga gake. Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye. Nitwara. Ntabwo ndi kubwira ngo nsubiremo ibyo mvuga. Gendere mama. Bye.
Now they give him the ball and go.
You're coming to come?
Yeah. No, you want to teach someone.
Okay, not
slowly. Now you say it fast.
Kana gonongera. Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye.
Vuga ngo yampyikinyuye.
Ntabwo ndi kukubwira ngo nsubiremo iryo jambo ngo uvuge ngo. Ntabwo ndi kubivuga. Niba ngo uvuga ngo yampyikinyuye. I'm just saying say yampyikinyuye. You are repeating my destiny. Say yampyikinyuye again. Aiwe. Ndavuga ngo serum kipkinyura impyisi. Your baby say bravo. Serum kipkinyura impyisi.
Why did you say so many difficult words?
No, it's very small. It's very small word. Easy self. Okay, repeat. Serum kipkinyura impyisi.
Rum chim chim.
Serum kipkinyura impyisi.
Rum chim chim. Give me easy this thing to say. That thing has too many.
Okay.
So many.
Okay. Seru. What's it? Ariko se uri kuyishyira Mana we mureke babwira umugabo wanjye aratse. Iyo bije ku Kinyarwanda turaseka no tunawe. I'm saying is one word.
Syllabi.
Okay.
Syllabi.
Say, is that what I'm saying? Ndi kugabanyiriza amagambo. Seru.
You say seru, you say now. Is it say? Tell me exactly what you want me to say. Not trying to confuse me. You're trying to confuse me.
Aiwe! Mana wenda fuye. Seru.
Seru.
Chimchinyura.
Chichimura.
Serupyipyinyura.
Seruchipchimchura.
Guys, turabakunda cyane tuzagaruka.
Let them say it in the comment section.
Mubyandike aze kwanya mu Kinyarwanda. Mumwandikire ngo serupyipyinyura impyisi. Mumbabarire mu bimwandikire. We are coming by. Thank you so much. Tuzagaruka tubazanira utundi tunesho. Bye. Tuzaza tuvuga amazina y'Abanyarwanda ejo.
This one is challenge.
Iyi ni challenge iramunaniye. Vuga ngo niko mubwira indi jambo rya nyuma. Twagiye. Jya mu bandi. Jya mu bandi. Yego. Nzamurera icyo Imana yamumpereye. Okay. Nzamurerera icyo Imana yamumpereye.
You see when you are making mistake, you see.
Oh, I say bye to these guys. Bye guys, turabakunda.
You see the Rwanda is difficult.
Ikinyarwanda ngo kiramunaniye.
It's not my fault, I'm trying.
Okay, we are coming back.
We'll come back, guys.
All
We'll
right.
try another challenge. Bye.
Guys, thank you so much. Mutange this thing. Mutange du comment. Mwandikire ngo serupyipyinyura impyisi. Mumwandikire byazina ry'inoza. Anayanye cyangwa serupyipyinyura impyisi mubimwandikire muri comment.
They should say it in the comment section.
Ngo bimwandikire muri
They
comment.
should tell me whether it's easy or maybe.
Mumubwire nimba ngo byishanga bikomeye.
Maybe I'm the one that is not smart enough, but that thing is difficult to watch.
Guys, ciao ciao. I love you.